Hello and welcome to Boogie Babes. We're going to do a massage rhyme called 5 Little Kittens. For the first part of the rhyme, stroke down baby's arm with long, gentle movements. Then for each meow, massage a different finger, starting with the thumb, and end with a lovely tickle. Ready, steady, off we go. 5 little kittens, all black and white, sleeping soundly all through the night. Meow, 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 meow. Time to get up now. 5 little kittens, all black and white, sleeping soundly all through the night. Meow, 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 meow. Time to get up now.